Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just have a really quick project share stuff that I made with Ebony on Them Crafty Girls Sunday Live here on my channel. And I was playing around with the Kscraft's January release. These are the Easter shaker plates. So I was really playing with this plate right here, where it has the peeps and the jelly beans. I have not played with this one yet. That'll be in another video, but let me explain what I was doing. The other die that I was playing with is the bunny shaker die. This is also the January release, so I only used the large bunny. So because I was using the shaker bits, I had to make a shaker, so that's why I was playing with that. I used some solid color cardstock. These are the colors that I was playing with: the green, the pink, the blue, and the purple. And I used my 5 millimeter foam. So this is a thicker foam. I got these off of Amazon a long time ago. This one is a double layered Craft Smart from Michael's. Creatology, not Craft Smart, Creatology. I double layered this one because of the thin. It was too thin. I wanted it to be thick like the 5 mm, whatever. You know, the thicker foam. Anyway, when I was making the shaker bits, I covered them with my cold laminate with the holographic. So I was using my scraps to cover the cardstock first, and then cutting out the bunnies and the jelly beans. So, whoops, this is what it looks like. It's kind of hard to see. Let me turn them over. There's the plain cardstock, and then there's the holographic card on top. So, excuse me, let's get the little jelly beans up in there. So that's what they look like. They are so pretty, prettier in person actually, because yeah, look at that. It's hard to tell. But yeah, I used like different shapes of the holographic on the cardstock. So when you see it reflective, it's really pretty. So then the shaker bits to add to my mix inside my bunny shakers, I use this little sequin mix from Ebony. She is the Rosette Guru on Instagram. She's also the Crafty Girl here on YouTube and Instagram. So she makes these fun little shaker mixes. This is some bunny paws, and then the sequins are some bunny heads. And she also has some pink and white sequins in there. There's the bunny heads right there. Very pretty. So I added that with the bunnies and the jelly beans. And then here are the bunnies, the Kscraft shaker bunnies. Made some blue and green bunnies. And the face details. So after the fact, the ladies in the chat on the live was like, maybe you should try the black for the face so you could see the bunny details, and I agree. So it'll be off camera. I will add black instead of the color die cut pieces, because you can't really see. It just blends too well with the shaker mix. But I did overload the mix intentionally, because a lot of the times I fill it up and then I stand the shaker up and it'll be like all the way down here. All the sequins are down here. So like this one, see, this is not as full. So there's a difference. I like to see all the shaker bits. It's this one too. I didn't put enough because I was talking too much. So yeah, that is my project share. Also for our Kscraft guest design team, that's what I am working on. I have several other projects to cut up and share. And then, oh yeah, before I go, I don't know. I don't think I'd have, but they also, Kscraft also carries these chocolate bunnies. Again, I use the laminate on the plain cardstock. This is just regular craft color cardstock. And I used my scrap pieces from my laminate sheets. Look at how fun these are. Look at the bunny. So those are all fun little bites off of the bunny. They're all different. And so this one has a bite off of his back. Oh my gosh. It's so cute, guys. It's so cute. And then this one is like the bunny bites off the ear. Like right there. Love the holographics. I also cut out the Easter words, shadow words. So here we have cottontail. And I was trying to use my scraps again. This one is Hello Bunny with the glitter in the background. It's very cute. This one says Happy Easter. I'm just using all my scraps. So, and this one is Hippity Hoppity. Very cute. This one says Some Bunny Loves You. I got two of those. It's kind of hard to read with the glitter on the screen. It just doesn't look the same in person. And then the last one, Bunny Kisses and Easter Wishes. And this one is just plain cardstock. This one has a little bit of holographic on this background cardstock. So that was very fun to cut out, and using all the scraps in my stash. So you can imagine putting all these together, and that will come soon. I just haven't gotten that part yet. So yeah, I did cut out this 3 times, so I have a lot to play with and also to share once I get to that point. What was the other? Yeah, there is the Easter Bunny rosettes. I was playing with the Kscraft's bunny. Oh, this is not the bunny. This is a Kscraft die, rosette die, but I didn't, that's an older one. This one is the January release, and you get the little bunny die cuts on the top. So much fun. And the other one was this one right here, with the little 2-inch. So when you cut these out, they're like a 3-inch strip. You could cut it shorter to make different size rosettes. This one is let's see, this one is 2.5 inches across, so 1 1/4. When you cut your strip, it's 1 1/4. So when you roll it out like this, when you fold it, accordion fold it, 2 1/4 or 2.5. So imagine them just being layered up on top of each other. Look at how dimensional, without using any foam. It's a very pretty rosette. And then I just die cut this one. And I again, before I cut it out, I did add that holographic laminate on there. Look at the pretty reflections on these rosettes. Well, that one's a little harder to see. But look at this one. All of the shiny. It's so pretty, guys. I'm in love with the rosettes. In love with the rosettes. Look at that. Look at that. You know? Just very, very pretty. So I think that is it for my share. Thank you all for watching. And if you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, join our crafty family, and while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this, or when I go live here on my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. This helps my little channel to grow. And Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.